It's a 2010 Lexus HS250H. People once thought hybrid and luxury couldn't coexist. Then the HS250H came along and proved them wrong. It comes with great features you love: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, doors and push button start proximity key, aluminum wheels, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM satellite radio, leather bucket seats, front wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Automobile explains the ride is well damped and the response of the brake pedal is linear and free of any sign that the computers are continually switching between regenerative and friction braking. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Great deals, great service, and great people. Call, click, or visit Galpin Ford today. We are conveniently located off the 405 freeway at the Roscoe Boulevard exit.